Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's session, I will walk you through how to use Coursera to learn new skills for free if you want to upgrade your knowledge, explore new career paths, or learn from top universities and industry experts without upfront costs. Coursera offers excellent opportunities through its free learning options. Whether you are a student, professional, or lifelong learner, Coursera allows you to enroll in high quality courses, audit classes at no cost, access video lectures and reading materials, and learn at your own pace. By the end of this video, you will understand how to find free courses, use the audit option effectively, and build valuable skills to support your personal and professional growth. So let's get started. So right now we are at the website of the coursera.org. Okay, so when you open this website you will get this kind of interface. So we were talking about the free courses, how we can find out those free courses, because Coursera provides a lot of paid courses as well as free courses. So paid courses are easy to find, but it's not easy to find free courses. So that's why Coursera has generated a free segment, a free option or the category for the free courses. So you have to scroll down to the bottom and you will find this free courses button. So you just have to click on the free courses and it will take out to those bundle of skillful courses which are free of cost. So these are the courses which are free of course and they are most trending right now. So you can also filter out the free courses according to your preferences. So you just click on the uh, filters on here and then you can select on the skills. If you want a course on the basis of skills, you can select the skill, any skill that you want, and you can also select on the basis of, so let's select some skills here. And you can also find on the basis of the languages. Let's find some courses on the basis of English language. You can also choose your uh, national language as well, and you can select the level of the course, like if you are a beginner or an intermediate. So let's do for the beginners, and after doing this you can say there are 70 courses with your perspective, like with your own filters. So you just click on the view and it will display all the available courses. So there are lots of free courses as you can see that. So let's see, if you want to create a free business page with Blocker, if you want to try this, you have to click on this project and it will provide you all the details. And you can see the name of the instructor, and 31,630 people have already enrolled it, and they have it has a rating of 4.6 stars and 257 reviews, and it will take 1 hour to complete this course. So if everything has been mentioned here, you just have to create your account and start this course. In order to start this project, you just have to click on the join for free, and after your account is created then you will click on enroll for free and you will be enrolled into this course. Okay, so you can get all the details like outcomes, project details, and testimonial reviews and recommendations as well, each and everything on this platform. So that was all about Coursera. So I hope you enjoyed the video, you liked the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.